So for those of you that follow the channel, you know we love our Ray-Ban Meta glasses. We love the Meta collabs in general. We've done plenty of videos on the Oakleys, the Ray-Bans, and even the display models that came out for the Ray-Ban displays. But today, we have a somewhat different one for you guys, and this is thanks to being in Las Vegas at CES, we were able to pick up those new Gen 2 limited edition Wayfarers that you can only get at one of the Meta stores. And before we open this up, I just want to show you kind of how cool of an added bonus you get when you purchase one of these. You get this nice, it's like an aluminum tin here, and by this artist here, Doug Atakin. Probably butchering that, I apologize. This is the Now Series 1, and it tells you Meta Ray-Ban collab, and it's meant to be able to just store your glasses in or whatever you want. I actually just put one of my watches in here to travel back with, but setting this aside, it is just a nice additional, somewhat, again, storage container. So that's enough of that. Let's set that to the side and get to the star of the show here, and that is those new Gen 2 Wayfarers with that matte transparent frame and the brown mirror gold lenses. I have seen these online. I thought they looked amazing, and I am super excited here to actually take a look at them and see if there's anything different in the package from a storage container standpoint and all of that. And right off the bat, yes, you can see indeed it does. It is giving you a black case instead of the gray, or excuse me, instead of the brown ones that you get. And it says right here as well on the lid, this certifies the authenticity of this piece, featuring a fully transparent frame and brown mirror gold lenses, the perfect blend of innovation and iconic styling. You are going to have your cables, your cleaning cloths. We're not going to even focus on that in this video since we've talked about those plenty of times in the past. Let's get right to the star of the show, and those are those limited edition Ray-Ban Metas. So, pull the tab, lift them back, and whew, right off the bat, you can see how nice these look. Let's go ahead and just pull this off, and here you go. Look at how neat that transparent matte frame is. You can see the speaker grill on the side, or I should say the speaker itself on the side. You have the Ray-Ban logo still. You have a black top frame and again clear matte color frame on the bottom, and the same on the left arm as well. These look really cool. I'm going to try to put it over it so you can kind of see exactly what the color gives you when you put them through. And I think that looks really, really nice. Definitely a nice change of pace from a look standpoint for the Wayfarers. Again, if you follow the channel, we did some of the highliners for Gen 2 as well, but I definitely just do love the way these Wayfarers look, and this is no exception. I think this just gives a classic yet tech-focused look on these glasses, and I think it's going to be a hit if you can get your hands on them. I'm not sure how limited they are. Let me actually see if these are numbered even like some of the other ones are historically. Yeah, so this has 7,500 pairs that were created. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera here. I want you guys to be able to see that. So it says LTD for limited. This is number 2003 out of 7,500. And yeah, this is definitely going to be a nice collector's item if this is something you want to utilize. Let me go ahead and pop these on for you, and you can see exactly what they look like on. You guys ready for this one? So again, here's what they look like off body. Pretty sharp, I think. And then right when you put them on, they feel amazing, and get a look at this design. I've actually criticized some of the sizes of frames in the past for the Wayfarers, for the actual Meta displays. Obviously, totally different tech inside of those, but I really do just like this look. I can see myself using these regularly without thinking of somebody thinking I'm wearing a tech device instead of just a piece of fashion, which I think this blends much better than even those headliners. So I have a video planned coming in the very near future with a comparison between the headliners, between the Gen 1s, Wayfarers, and these as well. And I can even do the side-by-side, including the Meta Ray-Ban displays, if you guys want to see that as well. Comment down below, let me know, do you want to see that video, and what do you think of these frames? Again, I think they look really good. I'll get a little closer for you guys. It's a classic Wayfarer look. Those brown lenses and that transparent design frame, A+. I think Meta actually knocked it out of the park with these. As anything goes with Meta, privacy is always a concern, but this isn't going to raise any different awareness or concerns for you over what all the other ones do. So I just wanted to show you what they look like. Again, you cannot buy these online. You can only get them at select Meta store locations. So again, here you go. What do you guys think? Comment down below, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.